Alright, Platinum Hands Contractors about to get up out the building. Y'all remember this joint I showed y'all a few days ago. Had some drywalling needed to be done. They had some flooding issues or whatever, so I took care of the issues that they had. Knocked those out real nice and quick. Remember I told you we put the Durock down there so that if any flooding happened again, they won't have to worry about it. So I know y'all was kind of curious what the finished product would look like. Y'all see it as we started. Now y'all see how we got through it. Platinum Hands Contractors, give us a call. No job too big, no job too small. We do it all. Don't forget we knocked out this bathroom in here as well. Oh, glad I caught this little drip. Drip, drip. Yeah, all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all see it. Platinum Hands Contractors, give us a call. No job too big, no job too small. We do it all. No waves, baby. You see it. Got their shower ready for towel. I don't know who's doing the towel, but yeah, there we go. Platinum Hands Contractors, give us a call. No job too big, no job too small. Visit our YouTube channel, Platinum Hands Contractors on YouTube. Let us know what you think of our past and present videos.